Hey guys, welcome to Hardcore Couch Potatoes. I'm Jal,
And I'm Kim.
and today we're eating McDonald's.
And a whole lot of it. We also have clear American, sorry. Yeah, of course it's clear water, I'm dumb. But we have clear American seltzer.
Please sponsor us. We drink so much of your product, it's ridiculous.
Yeah, we buy like 4 bottles of it every day, but anyway.
If we had more money, we would probably buy like an entire box of it. I'm not even joking, I really mean that.
Alright, and while we eat, we're gonna go through local news stories.
Oh, I thought we'd go it's related to New Year's.
Okay.
Guys, well, celebratory gunfire comes through woman's window.
I bet it was the gunshots we heard.
Wait, but we don't live near Durham though.
Oh, you're right.
Oliver probably heard it.
He doesn't live near Durham either.
He doesn't? Oh, he goes to Carville.
He goes to Detroit though. Alright, so we've bought 4 cheeseburgers, 4 McChickens, 20-piece chicken nuggets that will split between us, and 3 cookies. We asked for 2, they gave us 3.
Hey,
Thank
nothing
you.
wrong with that, guys.
But we're 2 people, so I don't really understand that.
I think I'm gonna go into the article for the celebratory gunshot, yeah?
Okay, let's go.
Alright, so the lady's name, should I say the lady's name?
No.
No.
Let's keep some of these things confidential.
Alright, so anyways, the poor lady in Durham, she was just chilling in her chair watching TV. Because everyone, if you're not going out on New Year's, you're probably at home watching, the ball drop at New Year's. So I'm assuming that's what happened. And so after midnight, she heard what she thought was ice. Turns out it was just a bullet.
Ooh.
That came through. And, yeah. And so, she thought she heard, she didn't hear firecrackers. And, let's see. Oh. Okay, so, what happened was, she was chilling, watching TV. She thought ice came through her window, turns out it was a bullet. Before it went through her window, she heard...
Ice?
Yeah, look.
It's been 70 degrees lately.
Well, it's Durham, so the weather might be different there than here.
We went to Carborough. Durham's the midpoint between there.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Oh, no.
It was 70 degrees.
No, our cat's very thirsty apparently.
She thirsty.
Anyways, she was chilling. Oh, she must have a very older daughter. She's our age.
Mm-hmm.
And then she just dropped off her kid at downtown Durham. And the bullet came down where she sat. I guess I'm assuming the living room where she sits with her dog at home. Yeah, so apparently the bullet was really close to hurting the dog. And she called police just to find out that she was the 3rd person to report celebratory
Gunfire.
Yeah. So, guys, I think we all learned a lesson here. Let's not shoot your guns up in the air on New Year's in the neighborhood. And if you are, you should probably do that at an open field where you don't put any bullets in anyone's houses.
I mean, you can get some fireworks while you're at it, because I'm telling you, we heard some of that stuff. We don't even live in, a ghetto town, I guess you could say. We live in a redneck area. So we heard a bunch of that. Yeah.
That's a mix. What in the...
I guess.
Because where I'm at is redneck, then with my friends, that's all gang.
But they're from Window, aren't they?
I have a couple friends in Night too.
Oh, okay.
Oh, hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
Chocolate's bad for you. You can't be sniffing those cookies, man.
And that was our special guest, Pepsi, one of our cats.
Mm-hmm.
What's next?
So, we're looking through the news. Driver found... Oh. Nah, that's boring.
Now, speaking of drivers, you should tell them what you told me this morning.
I said 2 things. I don't know which one
The guy in Fayetteville?
We'll see it in a bit. Oh, ooh.
Oh, that's all sexual harassment, and that was it.
Nope. Boring. Boring.
A lot of sexual
You know what?
things
I'm
today.
gonna grab a McChicken.
That was sexual. Oh, here we go. That's a good one.
Okay.
That's actually a really good one.
Okay. This is a headline. Deer burst through NC business glass door. So a seafood and grocery store had a deer like run through the glass door. They have footage of it here. I might put that in there. But the animal crashed through the door and slid through the store. And then made her way towards the open back door.
Oh my god.
And then the person who witnessed it, like the store worker, was like, "It's a deer! It's a deer!" And then, like, okay, they got behind her. And then the deer,
Be right back, guys. I need a...
Cat's at the camera.
Hey, buddy.
Oh, okay, so witnesses said that the owner and the deer...
Wash my
No,
hands.
they told the owner of the store that the deer was escaping hunters and their dogs. Because I guess it's hunting season? I don't know.
Is it?
I don't know. I don't pay attention to that stuff.
I mean, I should, but, no.
Sir?
Okay.
No, I know you're gonna steal it. You can't do that. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, no, I have to relax. We're just doing each person gets a ball. Why are all the cats on my chair? Come on, guys. You don't need to do this eating stuff. Hey, man, my phone's gone. Alright, I'm just gonna unlock this real quick. Wow, so there was a deer inside of a store, guys.
Yep.
The things that happen in the south. You'll never see this up north. I think you get a bear up north, don't you?
We still get bears here.
Oh yeah, we're in Asheville?
Mm-hmm.
That was pretty funny. Oh, huh. That's actually pretty normal.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
One seriously injured in stabbing at Motel 6. I wonder... I mean, of course there had to be a motel.
Oh, it was a man. So was this like a drug
Was it a drug thing or a relationship thing? Or...
I don't think it was a relationship thing if the man got stabbed. Okay, it was serious injuries but non-life-threatening. So was it really that serious though? No, that's it.
Man, that's boring.
We don't know if it was a drug deal gone wrong or a crazy ass ex or something stabbed him. Oh my god. Yeah, that was a celebratory gunfire gone wrong. Family matriarch killed likely by celebratory gunfire. So, a 61-year-old woman was celebrating New Year's with her family, and she died due to apparently celebratory gunfire. At least that's what the deputy said. Oh wow.
Yep.
I
Just after midnight.
It would be down south.
Ooh.
Oh wow.
Okay, so authorities said the woman, identified as blank, was standing at the end of the driveway while family and friends in the they were shooting off fireworks, and then she suddenly clutched her body and said, "I think I've been shot." What a way to die, man. And then she collapsed to the ground and died. So her last words were, "I think I've been shot."
Hey buddy, let's not do that, okay? We're gonna let you stay on the table, I guess, but you can't eat any of the
As
food.
long as you don't eat the cookies, I'm fine.
As you guys can see, our cat is very curious when it comes to food.
She likes to eat our food.
I had a wing stolen from by him once. I missed my wing. I'm not gonna lie. Wasted a wing.
NANI?
Oh.
I actually had the straw.
No, it was a sushi roll.
Oh.
Told you that was a good buy.
Mm-hmm.
Wanna go play with your sister?
No, her sister dominates every toy.
Thank you, sir. I can't read any of the news articles. So since we're waiting on that, let me tell you guys what happened. What is he? Sir? Anyways, so we were having a... Sir! Excuse me, what are you
He's
doing?
licking the wrappers!
Look, I get it. I just fed you, man. You can't... No, you can't take my wrappers.
I had one McChicken and one cheeseburger so far. I'm trying to keep track of myself.
I mean, we just do either... Wait. Let me just do this.
Why did you give... They gave us extra of, like...
Everything?
Everything.
I want to check if there's actually 20 nuggets in there now.
Okay. Nope.
Sorry,
nope.
buddy.
Let's go.
We love you. We love you, alright?
Yeah, please.
I'll give you treats tonight.
Man, yeah.
Maybe some tuna.
Ooh.
Oh, no. Oh, don't turn around, don't turn around.
Don't say the T word, man. He's gonna come back.
So the T word in our house is,
What he just
I'll put it up here, and then there's another word for it. I'll put it like somewhere right here. She'll put it somewhere up right here.
Mm-hmm.
We'll put the words up here.
This is word number 1. That's word number 2.
Anyways, back to what I was saying. So, my sister was like, "Hey, guess what happened in this city here in our state? Apparently, some dude ran into a house and then ran away."
Mm-hmm. So it showed like a picture of an SUV, some kind of SUV,
Oh,
black one.
come on, we've been having a discussion.
I think it
about
was
this
a
all
Ford or a Chevy. It was one of those.
Oh, that makes sense.
And it was halfway into the house with the door wide open, so it was basically a hit and run, but not with a pedestrian, with a house. I don't know. I mean, at least no one died. But yeah, that's what I saw this morning. That's what I woke up to.
Well, for our next article, the headline is Durham church trailer stolen en route to Mexico-Texas border.
Huh.
So a church had plans to deliver clothing to migrant families stuck at the border.
Mm-hmm.
Except, instead of that happening,
Wait.
somebody finessed the trailer.
No, but they returned it.
Oh.
I think they found out the cause for the truck. And then they were like, oh wait, they're doing something good. Let's like give them back. Yeah.
Alright.
I love how they use the word crooks. Like, that sounds like an old newspaper type word. Like, these crooks. Man, these crooks stole the clothes. Are they good?
No, we had put together for the very first time. And it's not physical either. You're sharing your toy. So, what should we talk about now?
Okay, first of all, how much food have you had? Like, how many sandwiches have you had?
I've had a cheeseburger, a McChicken, and a cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger, McChicken, cheeseburger, McChicken.
Gus? I think our house is haunted. We're hearing random noises in the house now.
Could be our cat's doing something. Every time I hear something, like a cabinet opening or a creak or...
Oh shit. I mean, shoot. What if it was the ladder that's in your room upstairs?
Doubt it.
I mean, I think your room is the only one that's open, isn't it?
Let's look this.
Oh. You never know.
I actually think it was one of the cats scratching my bed.
But they're both upstairs right now. Oh,
then
hey.
they could have been scratching the carpet.
There's another death caused by celebratory bullets.
Oh my god.
Guys, what are we doing? It's 2020. Are we really shooting people now? We just started 2020.
I mean, yeah, duh. There's so many shootings going on the past couple of years. I'm not surprised that a bunch of people have died from the celebratory gunfire.
Next thing you know, we're gonna have celebratory bombings. Fireworks gone wrong, guys.
I mean, fireworks are kind of bombs, aren't they?
Our first were supposed to be celebratory things. And then the Europeans went to China, and they got fireworks and gunpowder. Then we got guns, rocket launchers, cannons, nukes, atomic bombs, C4, dynamite.
Nuclear bombs.
Yeah, that's what I said, nukes.
Oh.
Yeah. Tanks, bomber planes, suicide vests. So me and my sister have been trying to play this one song for almost all of 2019.
Mm-hmm.
And just today is when we finally finished the song, playing it. But now we don't know the middle part of it. But we found a solution to it, and it's going to be the funniest thing ever. Because now our aunt's going to have to hear our beautiful middle voices at home. Oh yeah. I'm going to have Dad hook up a microphone and Eric just so she can hear our beautiful metal voices, man.
Totally not tone deaf. But, so, we've been trying to play For Whom the Bell Tolls by Metallica for ages, but I stopped playing drums lately, and waiting for him to catch up with his guitar. And, that was the majority of 2019. We only played, the first 4 measures of the intro, and then we'd stop and get confused. But we figured out that if we sing, then we tend to know the rest of the song. So that's what we're gonna do.
Funny thing is, we're trying to play a Metallica song, and the part I'm playing is the lead vocal part. So really, the lyrics are gonna be my best friend for all of this, anyways.
Mm-hmm.
So I was like, you know what? Let's mess around with this. Why not? We have all of 2020 to mess around. And then at the end of 2020, I'm gonna be crying. No, 2020 June, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's when I'm gonna be crying because if she gets accepted into university, I'm gonna be sad because I will no longer have her here and I will be stuck at the house by myself.
Well,
for
the
a
issue
year.
is I'm gonna be accepted. I know I'm gonna be accepted, but private art schools are so expensive. They go for, I don't know, 30 to 60K a year. And if I can't get my financial aid, or if I don't get any scholarships, I can't go. That's my issue. So even if I do get accepted, if my portfolio doesn't rack up scholarships, or if my GPA doesn't rack up scholarships, then...
Oh, your GPA better rack up some scholarships.
I mean, it is 4.2.
For effing sense. See.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, I mean, either way, I'm probably going to do 2 years of community college before transferring.
Literally, the only thing saving me for scholarships right now is my club. That's literally all I have, is that club. I have nothing else to help me right now. Because I've made some bad life choices, past years. I can't really blame myself of the situation I was in, but I tried to make the best of it. Made some poor life choices, and here I am. I know I'm going to graduate the most kids in my class, at least. So I'll take that. Will I be graduating like you will? Hell no. Hell effing no. For a fact, no. Because we were raised differently.
Vastly differently.
You were raised in all the bougie neighborhoods. I was being raised in a bougie neighborhood, and then I switched over to the street life. Because my mom wanted to pick all the freaking neighborhoods with all the street gangs in them.
Yeah, his mom is horrible at choosing locations. So,
And the one time I think she found a good apartment, I find out that's gang territory too.
I mean, she did pick the gang cities in general.
Yeah.
My mom moved based on schools. So, I think that's the difference.
My mom's an immigrant that never decided to learn full-on Spanish and go to school. I don't think there's no point in giving me sauce when I can't even finish this with a cat in my face.
Just make more food. He's eating our lettuce. He's eating our fallen lettuce. Alright, baby. I'm gonna... Okay. Come on. Let's go.
I'm sorry, we love you.
I'll feed you treats later. It's okay.
You said that too, right? Damn.
Yeah. It's fine though, because I just pushed him down. I don't think he's gonna come back up. Watch me jinx myself and he comes back up. Oh yeah, baby sauce.
1,
Oh.
2,
Oh yeah, that's actually smart. I'm gonna do that too.
3, 4, 5,
So good.
1, 2. What the hell? 3, 4, 5.
We have an extra. Hey. No. No, sir.
We had an extra nugget.
6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, cool.
Oh.
Excuse me?
Hey, Betsy, come here. Come here. Hey, what's this? Hey, what's this?
Okay, you know what?
Here, just put his head in there. It's okay. Oh, here comes the other one.
Oh.
Wow,
Wow, she really has
she
to
gets so aggressive. Sir, you gotta go through the box. Like,
Down we go.
don't throw the cookies now. I'm moving the cookies. I don't know about you. The cookies stay protected. Alright, we got 10 nuggets. We got honey mustard sauce. We got some ranch. And now I got cats all over my legs. But it's alright. This is normal.
This is normal.
Yeah, for me nowadays, because since all the cats want to be with me whenever it comes to food.
Because they know you eat a lot, bruh.
Man, they know I'm not going to give them any of my food.
They still know you eat a lot, so there's an off chance that you'll drop something. And there's also Pepsi who likes to steal. You know?
It's like my grandpa when it comes to like my wings. I won't forgive him for that. I can't. Okay, here's a weird question. Ha cola. You might want to back up a little bit. Good girl. Okay. Anyways, which mustard, right? Mustard. Which mustard do you prefer? Honey mustard, regular mustard, or hot mustard, or rancho mustard? What I like to call rancho mustard.
I'm gonna say regular mustard. I mean, I did eat 30 packets of that at Bojangles not too long ago. Like literally 2 days ago. Here's a picture of that.
We'll post it like up here somewhere. You know what I should have done? Got some green onion.
Yeah.
That is really good cat repellent.
She doesn't have the guts to steal like Pepsi does. But she is sniffing.
Which worries me a bit, because she never does this.
Probably because her mom's not here to yell at her.
Hey, that doesn't matter. She has me still. I'm gonna give her all the clothes I want to give her. So, you know what I'm not excited for? Next month.
Why?
Oh, one turning 17. Valentine's Day.
You have no one to worry about.
President's Day, whatever it's called. Some other stuff in February I don't know about. I really should though, but I don't still. You know, I don't want to do Valentine's Day because No, it's not. I don't even care about the boo part. It's the part that everyone's gonna be getting stuff, and I'm gonna not be getting anything. Cause then I'm gonna be like, oh, I gotta get her a stuffed animal, and she's gonna create a butterbeer, which is butterscotch soda, guys. I'm talking about the butterbeer from Harry Potter, which is a really fair trade. But you know, how are we gonna pull it off? That's the real question. Because we're both broke nowadays.
We just spent our last $15 on this McDonald's. So.
Yeah, you know, and I don't even have a real job at the moment. I can't even get a real job. But my dad's willing to let me come back, you know, work on cars. I'm gonna take half the money he earned because I did half the work. So, you know, I'm prepared for Valentine's Day. They're not putting no French in these like packets. Come on, McDonald's, what you doing, bro? So if y'all can see the cat that just walked by, that's Cola. That's our chubby cat. And that's also the cat we all, you know, go to for hugs and squeezes.
She's like a angry little pillow.
Yeah, that's exactly what she is. An angry little pillow. Oh, she smells the cookies now. If only they had these honey mustards at school. This is some good honey mustard.
Mm-hmm.
You're not gonna taste the honey in these. Oh, honey mustard, y'all. Good honey mustard. But them cookies looking mighty fine though. Mickey D, she did the cookies right. Oh, but she's still sleepy though. Are you sleepy from all that playing you were doing earlier? Anyways, if there's any like small tech companies that wants to like, you know, have us review their stuff or anything, just hit us up in the comments or something.
Email.
Or email us. We'll like leave our email or something in the description. We'll be down to review any small tech companies. You know, I always love seeing new tech and how it evolves. Like the Type C, for example. I saw it and was like, oh, this is gonna be like what everybody uses. And now that's literally what almost everybody uses, guys. I mean, apparently Sony for the PS5 is supposed to use a Type C charger or something like that. So who knows, guys? I want to see what the next big thing is.